In today's resin art video, I'm going to show you how to put the brackets on the back of that aluminum. Okay, here I am. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another video. The old iPhone 7 took a crap, so I haven't been able to make very many videos here lately. But I've got the iPhone Pro Max coming, so hopefully that thing shows up. It's supposed to have better color and stuff, so it'll be better for you guys. But yeah, you should see this little setup I got recording this video right now. Okay, so on those brackets today, I used some of this Loctite like this. Comes in this little deal. Sets up in about 5-10 minutes, something like that. They say give it like a half an hour to cure, but it works really, really good. I did do a triptych on the aluminum. I posted it on my Instagram. I haven't had enough time to edit the video on the triptych yet. But I told you guys I'd show you how I glue down the brackets on the back of these things. So, man, I did though. I tried the liquid nails. I tried some silicone. I tried about everything. Then I went and got this and worked great. So it's been working pretty good. And it worked on the first one. And now I got the other two going right now. I'll hang one up on the wall. And then I'll show you the bracket on the wall too. So they work pretty good. All right, well, I won't ramble anymore. We'll just put the little video here. Keep it short and sweet. And yep. All right. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to another video, and I will talk to you later. All right. Bye-bye, everyone. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is I measured 3 inches off the top, and then I just took my level and I made a straight line across it. So this is what the back of that aluminum looks like raw. So I'll probably end up painting it or doing something to it to make it look a little bit better. But yeah, and then those are the brackets, the Hangmann brackets right there. I've used them in another video. Easy way to hang a painting video. And then I just got the Loctite out and I took it. This is what it looks like right there. And it says it sets up in like 5 minutes. I'm still making this video right now, so they've been on here for about a half hour, 20 minutes. And I'll show you what they look like hanging up. Okay, here we go, gluing it down. You always got to change a tip, so they come with 2 tips in that kit. Just the tip. Okay. But anyway, so you just push it and that stuff comes out like that. And then boom, you just push it on there like that. And I went over to the other side and I did it like that. And just put the brackets on there. Just lined them up with my lines and pushed them down. So that's what I did. This stuff's pretty awesome. I like it. It's working really good right now. Okay, what else? What else? Yep, and then boom, just let them set like that. Walk away from it, you know, give it, 15, 20 minutes. I went and I made the other part of the video, then came back. So, all right, now for the part that goes on the wall, it comes with a little level bubble in there like that. And then those 2 silver screws, they're the ones that actually go into the wall. So I'll show you the wall right now. Okay, so there's the level. And then boom, I'm just leveling it out. And then you can kind of see the screws and everything in there. This is an old one. I've had this one in here forever. So all the pictures that I've ever taken, and posted on Instagram or put in these videos where it's hanging on the wall, that's basically the bracket I've used. Oh man, I gotta paint that wall. She's dirty. But yeah, so it comes out a little level, and you can level it, you can move it, and then some of those holes are elongated too, to where you can, make slight adjustments if you have to on the wall if it's not on the bracket, if it's not on the back of the painting the right way. Okay. Now here's that big square one I did a while back. It's hanging up here on the wall. Lighting in here is kind of, I don't really have it set up too good right now, but didn't really want to glare you guys out, but she looks pretty cool hanging up on the wall like that. And then I'll go grab this diptych, one of them at least, and then hang it up on the wall too to show you. Hold on. Okay, so now that diptych, it's hanging up there on the wall. That's the one that we just glued the bracket onto. And she's hanging, so it's only been about, I don't know, half hour or so. So, all right, cool. Just thought I'd show you guys that. Okay, thank you everyone for tuning in for another video again. I do appreciate it, and happy arting and make something cool. We'll get more of this aluminum coming out. So I got a big old 4-foot by 4-foot one I got to do, and oh man, I love this stuff. I think it looks awesome. I hope you guys do too, and enjoy your weekend or something. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I thought you guys get a kick out of this. This is my little iPad setup when I was recording that little video for you guys. Okay, happy arting. Bye-bye. Love you all for watching. Bye.